Hey there, Brysen from Bold here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an offer with funnels with Bold Upsell. Funnels allows you to show additional items to your customers after the initial offer. You can create a series of offers based on whether the customer accepts or declines. This allows you to maximize every order if a customer accepts the first offer, as there's a good chance they'll accept more offers. It's important to note that only the first offer in a funnel can be a true upsell. Any number can be a cross-sell offer. For more information about this, please visit our Help Center. Now that we know a bit more about funnels, let's create our first offer with a few series of funnels. Navigate to the Bold Upsell admin, click Manual Offers, then Create New Offer. In the first section under Basic Information, enter a name for your offer. Next, under Upsell Offer Flow, click Set a Trigger. Click the Trigger dropdown and select an event you'd like to use. Please note that funnels can only be used with Product Page Pop-Up and Cart Page Pop-Up. If you selected Product Page Pop-Up as the trigger type, you'll need to choose either Cross-Sell or Upsell. If you selected Cart Page Pop-Up, only a cross-sell offer can be used. Under Trigger Products, select whether you want to choose which products act as a trigger or if you want to allow all products to act as a trigger. If you chose specific products, click Select Products and use the product selector to choose the products you want to act as trigger products. Once you have chosen your products, click Review Selection, then click Save Selection. Next, under Upsell Offer, click Set an Offer, enter in the title and description that you would like to display for the first offer, then select your offer products. After saving your offer products, adjust the two optional settings as needed under Offer Options. Next is where you can start defining your funnel offers. There are two options available that you can choose from: Offer Declined and Offer Accepted. Offer Declined allows you to display another offer if the first offer is declined, while Offer Accepted allows you to display another offer if the first offer is accepted. Click Set Another Offer in either choice, enter in the title and description for the new offer, then choose the product you'd like to offer. After adding in an offer product, you can create one more accepted or denied funnel. These funnels only appear if a product in the initial offer is added by a customer. Once you are satisfied with your funnel configuration, finish the rest of the setup within the upsell group, and then click Save Offer at the bottom of the page. To test the offer, you can either navigate to the Trigger Product page or use the magnify glass under the Trigger Product category in Bold Upsell and select the product title to bring you directly to the product page. On the product page, trigger the offer by adding the product into the cart or proceed into the checkout with a trigger product in the cart. The upsell modal should appear with your first offer you set in Bold Upsell. If you created an accepted funnel, add an offer product in the modal. If you created a declined offer, click the decline button in the modal. After accepting or declining the first offer, you should be presented with your funnel offer. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold Upsell, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.